put some hair jewelry in it. I don't know. Next video. Your girl did it, y'all. I got mini twists in my head. I got them. I finally did it. I didn't think I was going to do it, but I did it. And I'm very indifferent about it. But I put a poll on my IG and I said I wanted to try mini twists. I know my hair texture isn't the same as everyone else's, so I just want to see how they look on my hair texture. But I finally did it using the African Pride Moisture Miracle hair care line. I said, you know what? Let me take myself to Walgreens. And lo and behold, I saw the entire line there for $5. Like everything on the shelf was $5. So I said, you know what? I'm grabbing 1, 2, 3, 4 products and I'm going to bring it to you guys and show it how it worked on my hair. So if you want to see how I got this look using the African Pride Moisture Miracle line, keep watching. Alright y'all, so I think it'll be best for me to divide my hair up into sections and then apply this product. The product smells really good, like, I don't know, like I kind of want to eat it. But it smells really good. So yeah, I'm going to fast forward through this entire part and I'll come back when I'm done pre-pooing and let you know how I like the initial thought of this. Alright y'all, I had to come back real quick before we move on to the next session to just show y'all how moisturized and hydrated my curls are looking from that pre-poo alone. Like, the detangling process was so easy, even though my hair was like very detangled. My hair feels amazing. Sorry y'all, I'm just hyped. Look at that. I missed my curls, but the girls are back, so let's move on. Alright, I was watching a little bit of Ozark while I was putting in the pre-poo, but I am finally finished. And I would definitely have to say that this pre-poo gets a 10 out of 10 for me. I even think that this jar is too small. Like, this is only, how many ounces is this? 12-ounce jar. I could probably get like 5 uses max out of this because I feel like I need a lot. I'm very heavy-handed with it and I like when my hair just feels like very moisturized and everything, and I feel like this pre-poo really is a game changer for me. I love it. My hair is fully detangled. It's feeling hydrated. Like, I wish I could literally use this as a wash and go product. I wish I could just put this in my hair and that's all. Like, that's it, because I feel like it's all slip. Like, a product that's all slip is this. This has my hair feeling so good, guys. I don't even know how to explain it. I just don't know. But yeah, I'm loving this pre-poo. So I'm going to go ahead and wash this out, shampoo, condition my hair. And then I'll come back to you when I'm ready to style it with the other products. So this product, it gets a 10 out of 10 for me. Like, that's already on the top of my radar. They need to sell it in a bigger jar though. I'm going to have to go rack up on a couple more. Because y'all, my hair feels great. My hair feels so light and good. Like, so now I'm going to go in with African Pride Moisture Miracle. I'm going to go in with their leave-in conditioner made with coconut oil and bamboo oil. The consistency is very thick. I love thick leave-ins. Alright guys, so I've gone ahead and sectioned off my hair, and I also went ahead and applied the leave-in on all 4 sections. So now I'm about to just go in and part this section up, add the styling cream, get to twisting, and then I'm going to top it off with the Cantu Maximum Hold Styling Gel. I also saw this when I was at Walgreens, so I picked it up and I was like, why not? I need a styling gel and I always use Eco Styler. So I wanted to try something new. So here it is, y'all. Here it is. Smells really good. I'm very heavy-handed when it comes to cream, so my twists are gonna be white for a minute, yo. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and speed up this part and finish the back of my hair, come back and check in. Hey guys, so I've officially finished the back of my twist. Done. It took me like 30 minutes to do. I went ahead and did my sections a bit smaller than usual, only because my hair is very like, when it's dry it's thick, but when it's wet it's very thin. So, and I know this just because I regularly twist my hair, parting them a little smaller, and I just hope that it looks fine because I'm not doing all of this for nothing or to take it out in 3 days. Like, I want to keep this in for like a good 3 weeks, hopefully. So let's see. I don't know. I really hope I can keep it in because knowing me, it won't even last. But let's hope for the best. I'm going in. I just went ahead and put some curling cream in it, and I'm going to lock it in with some of the gel just on the ends and the root. I'm just doing an ordinary 2-strand twist. And once I get to the end, I'm gonna go ahead and twirl the end on my finger, so that just gives it a nice little coil at the bottom, and then I just go ahead and lock that on with some more gel just so that it can stay put, just like that. So yeah, it might look like this is like longer and skinnier, but after a while when the twist starts to take form, it is going to shrink back up and the twist will plump up a bit. So don't worry, but we're going to continue. Just go into finishing up the rest and I'll come back when it's all done. I don't know if y'all watch Ozark on Netflix, but I'm watching it on season 2, the end of season 2, and it's getting good. So I mean, if you need a show to watch, I definitely recommend Ozark. It's a good show. All right guys, I'm finally down to my last one. I'm so tired. The juice. Alright. Sheesh. Alright guys, so these are the final results from my mini twists. I can't wait for them to fully dry. But like I was saying before, like my hair, when it's moisturized, like it does get very, like it's not thick, it's very fine. So I did little twists, so I look like because if I would have did them bigger, I would have only had like 6 twists in my, like even when I do my twist outs, all I need is 4 twists. All I need is 4 twists to get my little twist outs that I be doing. So imagine, I'm gonna go ahead and let my twists fully dry. I'm gonna come to you guys in the morning when they are fully dry and I look like a decent human being. I tried something new. I tried to get all neat with the parts in the front, but I was parting with my fingers the whole time, so my parts aren't perfect, but I have to make sure I got my little boxes right in the front. Hey guys, it is the next morning and I wanted to let my hair go ahead and fully dry completely overnight. So that's what I did. I went to sleep in my scarf and I didn't really want to manipulate it. I let it dry to see how it really will come to form. And here are my final results. How do I feel about it? I don't know. I'm kind of like indifferent. I did know that my hair wasn't going to be as full as everyone else's mini twists, but I want to take the chance anyway to see how it will look on my hair texture. I went ahead and I did see other people's videos and did it on dry hair and it seemed to be a lot more fuller. So the next time that I do try a mini twist tutorial, I'm going to do it on dry hair because this one on wet hair because I needed a wash. So I had a wash day. But I'm going to go ahead in with the miracle oil and I'm going to oil my twists and my scalp, do my edges, and that'll be it, y'all. So yeah. But yeah, I'm just happy I got this style in now because all I have to do every day is oil my scalp, give myself a nice scalp massage, and I am good to go because I just want my edges to grow back, y'all. But yes, now I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges. I'm like very indifferent about it. I'm going to go ahead and try some different styles in it, and I'll probably make a video on how I style them, but this is my first time. I've never done twists before, so I'm very new to this whole mini twist life. Let me give you guys a back view of the twist. And during this quarantine time, this style is needed, so you don't gotta touch your hair all the time. Like, it's just sitting and chilling. Like, you don't gotta do too much. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Edge Control. And these are my mini twists, y'all. I don't know how I'm gonna rock them. Like, I feel like I'm gonna majority have them in like a high pulled up style, just so that my eyebrows are like giving you that rose look, honey. I don't know, I'm just kind of indifferent about it. Like, if I put a ponytail in it, I don't know. But this is the time to just get back into loving my natural hair, because I have been like ignoring it, abandoning it. Yeah, comment down below and let me know what you think. But yeah, guys, these are the results for my mini twists. If you like them or you want to see me do this style again, like I said, I'm going to try to attempt it on dry hair. Like this video, comment down below if you tried it before and used different products, or even try these products. Let me know as well, because I'm always willing to try new products. So as of now, this line gets a thumbs up for me. I would definitely recommend it. And they were cheap, y'all. Like, I cannot put the emphasis on cheap. A lot of people complain that, oh, I don't got time to spend all my money on all the natural hair products. But these products were all $4.99, $5 each, like every single product. And you can find it at your local Walgreens. Like, if they got it at Walgreens, if they got it at CVS, they got it at Target, they gotta have it somewhere. If I had to say get one thing from this line, it will definitely be the pre-poo, because as a natural, I know how hard it is to, you know, just especially working on dry hair. Like, my hair was dry and I haven't put anything or touched my hair in so long. It was just braided up under wigs. When it's time to do your wash day, you do not want to put your hands through that dry hair. But this pre-poo like made it so easy. My hair felt so light. Like, detangling was just not an issue. It was really good. So I would definitely recommend this product out of the entire line. If you don't get nothing at all, just grab this and let me know how it goes, because I promise you, you will not regret it. So yeah, if you want to try something new, I definitely recommend the Moisture Miracle line. This was my first time attempting a mini twist out. I don't know, I love it. I love it. Like, I could say I love it, but I don't know. I just don't know, you guys. I don't know. But my good friends, if you know me, this style, like, you would think I wouldn't keep this in longer than a week. Like, I don't know. If you try it out, definitely tag me in it so I could see. All my socials are linked down below. If you guys are wondering where I got this hoodie from, I'll tag it right here. Her name is Prey and her brand is called The Prey Apparel. And I love her stuff. Affordable, dope, and she always has sales going on. So go ahead and support my girl Prey, because she's out here killing it. Yes, guys, if you like this video and you see more videos on how I take care of my natural hair, like, comment, subscribe, join the family. And thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video.
Original, bad man. Original, bad man. Oh.
It's V Kills.